Do you know when a 15-year-old hacked CIA and leaked 20,000 FBI employees' sensitive information? Meet Kane Gamble, the teenager who breached America's top security. At just 15, he accessed the personal emails of the CIA director, John Brennan, exposing sensitive information, including Brennan's contact lists, government documents, and the social security numbers of several individuals. Kraka and his group often publicly exposed the details online. He infiltrated FBI and Homeland Security databases, leaking details of 20,000 FBI employees and 9,000 DHS employees. Wow, the kid had some guts. Using only social engineering, this involved tricking customer service representatives into providing access or resetting passwords by impersonating the victims. Claiming political motives, he declared his support for Palestine, turning his hacks into statements. But even the most notorious hackers face consequences. Kane Gamble. In February 2017, Kane Gamble was arrested by British authorities and subsequently extradited to the United States. In April 2018, he was sentenced to 2 years in youth detention after pleading guilty to several charges. A tale the CIA and FBI feared. A tale of the dark side of hackers' will. A tale of Kraka,